I love this question, so let's chat about it. I do not feel like there's any right, wrong way to sign autism. I'm going to explain why I sign, how I sign, and then I'm going to explain other signs I've seen and the reasons I have seen them used. Okay? So I use autism because my perspective of autism is what? It's an operating system. It's how your brain processes things, handles information. It's a colorful mind. Woo! Neurospicy autism. I've seen before also autism. Used to be autism. That was explained how the person, their whole world, their love, cherished things, people, all brought inside. Another one, seen what I've seen autism, more about having like a mask in front of the world, other people. Autism, I prefer autism. I myself am late life, hard of hearing, about 7 years ago. So I prefer autism. I'm also a SOTA. I'm a sibling of a deaf adult. That deaf adult is also autistic, profoundly autistic. My daughter is also deaf, profound autistic. Well, first met her age 6, had profound autism level 3, now recent level 1. I've also seen interpreter sign AU. That kills me because I just think about, the outsiders. Stay gold, pony boy. Stay gold. But it's not my favorite. It feels cold. Autism. So I think that kind of helps explain and kind of expand more about why I sign autism for me, myself, my family, because of my perspective on autism. I think everyone like their hands, their voice for how you communicate. I studied and use ASL with our students when it's only my daughter or my brother. We're just hanging out. I use ASL. It's how I teach our students. It's how I battle back language deprivation. I use ASL as much as possible. For me, myself, my language that I use for my talking to myself. Catch me out at Walmart, you're gonna catch me sim common. I don't care. I explain my internal thought process. I explain my reasoning, all using SimCom. And honestly, it's helped me heal a lot. I already used SimCom because I have like 9 brothers and sisters. And of the 9, 2, me and CJ sign. And CJ, profoundly deaf, needs sign. So we use SimCom. I care more about connection. Now, when I say SimCom, your hands, your choice, your voice, I need you to understand that SimCom needs to be conceptually accurate. Has to, not has to. We might want to think about changing listen to listen. That shift is important. Did you hear me? It's important that we take the time to show we are trying to see them. We show belong. Now, with signed English, I know some people that have hard of hearing who use C2. That's fine. Their hands, their voice, their choice. But I need to be clear. C2, Signing Exact English, version 2, is not sign language. In its name, it recognizes that itself is not a language. All of C2's linguistic integrity is borrowed from English because C2 is signed English. Exactly. Conceptually accurate signed English focuses on making sure that picture is clear, that picture is right. It takes time, it takes a lot of practice. But it's important that that picture is right first and foremost. So if your picture cannot be right with your voice, voice off. And voice off as much as you can because language deprivation needs clarity and consistency. I want to make sure that we are understanding every deaf person has the right to choose how they communicate for themselves, and often they are forced to do whatever parents want. Deaf can understand autistic. Same. Many autistic kids are stuck without language, without knowing how to support better, support different. Stuck. Sign helps build a bridge and helps kind of fill that gap if we let it, if we support ourselves and them appropriately. But I think it's really important that we remember deaf autism is not one way, one type, one approach. Our guides are stupidly long. The recent one that I'm just finishing is 81 pages, just discussing how to approach, look at, analyze deaf autistic students who are struggling. There's a lot to try and make sure that we are remembering, we are zooming out to see, to check. But we need to do that and do it often because, y'all, things change, people change, environments change, bodies change. We have to help them have the language to be able to express. Depending on audio speech cues for deaf, hard of hearing kids is not fair, it's not right. Limiting autistic kids because we think your language is limited to tablet only, when you have the ability to learn full, in-depth expressed language. We need to zoom out. This picture really does not need to look this messy. My 2 cents.